What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe during this lockdown period. So we actually got this Dyson Pure Cool Me. We actually bought this a month ago and we just haven't had time to open it. So we're gonna open it now and do a little unboxing for you guys to see. So here we go. So this is a perfect time to use this. With all the germs and all the dust that's in there. So we actually saw this in action, and it not only doubles as an air purifier but also as a fan. And for Francis and I, the aircon sometimes gets a little too cold, so this might be perfect for us. Alright, so what we see here first is the quick start. They have the remote over here. So this is the remote, pretty simple. And in here they have all of the plug. Wow, this is a big, heavy plug. Actually looks almost the same as our vacuum. We got the manuals, which we don't need to read because we don't need instructions. And then here it is. Whoa. So, don't want to break this. Here it is. So you can see, nothing else in the box. And let's see how we work this thing. Okay. So I think we pretty much just have to set this up and plug it, and let's try to work it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to plug Don't mind the mess over here. This is our little Dyson section. We have our remote control over here. And I actually need this. So it's actually the European plug, and you're gonna need your own little adapter, FYI, if you live in the Philippines or United States. And we're gonna plug this in. This plug is kind of not that good because the plug is so heavy. I think we need a better adapter, but that'll do for now. And it's not, oh, it is on. Alright, so as you can see, you can hear there's actually air coming out. And I'm going to lower it a little bit because it's on full blast. And here are the functions. You have the level of the fan. You have the swing. I'm turning on the swing. And then you also have the timer. So you can actually choose how long you want to have it on for. So I put 30 minutes for now. And I'm assuming the air coming out of it is fresh, clean air. I think it is, yeah, it's actually sucking in the air right over here, and the clean air is coming out over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna try to see what's inside. Let's hope I don't break it. So here is the filter. So I'm assuming after a while we're gonna have to clean this out. Huh. That's pretty easy to clean. I think we can just vacuum this. So yeah. This thing cost I think $23,500 $400, and I think it's a good investment for our health. So that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next video.